There you are guys, perfectly cooked chicken breast. That is so juicy. That is incredible. Amazing. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken breasts perfectly in the air fryer. So this is going to be perfectly cooked chicken breasts in the air fryer. So let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, I've got two chicken breasts. They've got skin on. I want to put a little bit of olive oil on there. There's many ways to cook everything, as you know. And I see a lot of people season up the chicken and then put oil on. It's completely pointless. Put the oil on first, chuck the seasoning on, and it all sticks. Okay, so we're going over with a bit of salt. Bit of salt on there. Now this is not going to be anything fancy. This is a bog standard seasoning. On with some black pepper. Then all we're going to do is turn over the chicken breast and do the other side. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. That's it guys. And now we're going to bob that in the air fryer. 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. Then we'll turn it over and do the other side for another 10 minutes. Or 8 minutes to 10 minutes, depends on the side of your chicken breasts. Okay, and the reason why I seasoned up the skin side first and then turned it over is we need to cook it skin side down first, then turn it over so we can crisp up the skin side. Okay, so all we need to do is take out the air fryer basket and put in our chicken and then put in the air fryer. Very easy this guys. About 180, set for 10 minutes, and that's it. All we do now is wait 10 minutes and then we'll flip the chicken, cook for another 8 minutes, and we'll stick a temperature, and we'll stick our temperature gauge inside to make sure we've cooked our chicken properly. Oh, that's the first 10 minutes. Let's have a look. There we go. Chicken just starting to cook on this side. Now what we need to do is turn the chicken over and cook for another 10 minutes. See, this is the beauty about an air fryer. You know, it's all contained in there. You shove it back in, it's done. Back in 10 minutes. That's as easy as that, guys. In 10 minutes time we'll take a temperature reading, and then we'll, if it's not cooked to the right temperature inside, we'll just keep cooking it an extra 5 minutes, and we'll just test it as we go along. So that's it. Pretty boring video really, but you know, that shows you how to cook a perfect chicken breast. Oh, there's the ping. Let's have a look. Oh, just look at those. Right, I don't think these are cooked actually, just by experience. So what we're going to do, we are going to stick a thermometer in. Okay, now we're going to stick our thermometer in. You've got to go for the thickest bit of the chicken breast. To get the correct reading for cookedness, we want to be about 75 degrees C or 165 F. So let's just stick that in there. And as you can see, we are only at about 52. So I'm going to put that back in for another 5, 6, 7 minutes. We've gone for 7 minutes, and what we'll do, we'll check it again. Now guys, like I said before, when I first did my air fryer video, you know, like an air fryer 101, I recommended getting a food thermometer. Okay, now this is the one that I use. It's absolutely fantastic. You have to use a thermometer, because that chicken, obviously in my experience, I know it's not cooked, but with that little bit of browning on both sides, you could take that out, cut into it, and you're going to have raw chicken. You need a thermometer to check the temperature inside. We don't want salmonella or food poisoning. Ping, let's have another look in. Now that is getting more like it. Again, we need to check the temperature. 2 minutes only. Back in for a couple of minutes and it should be okay. So as long as we got the temperature roughly around about the temperature mark, you know, it's still going to cook when we take it out. It's still going to heat up inside. So, you know, the 165, 75 degrees is the cook temperature. Now, if it's just a little bit under, you take it out, let it rest, it's going to be perfectly cooked inside. Okay, that'll do it. Let's take it out. Let's have a look. In we go. .6, it's cooked. So let's take those out of there, put them on there. That's our chicken breast. So that's our chicken breast on there, guys. That is how to cook perfectly cooked chicken breast. We'll let it rest a minute and then I'll slice into it to show you how perfectly cooked it is and how juicy this chicken breast is. Okay, let's have a look in here. Perfect all the way through, and look at that moisture in there. So just look at all that moisture in there, guys. That is absolutely fantastic. Look at it running there. That is first class. That is a wonderful chicken breast. Oh, look at that. There you are, guys, perfectly cooked chicken breast. Bit hot actually. That is so juicy. That is incredible. Oh, amazing. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Oh, juicy. Catch you in the next video.